At the heart of Ekta Nagar, near the world's tallest statue, lies a place where curiosity leads the way. Welcome to the Maze Garden at the Statue of Unity. A visually stunning space that delights visitors of all ages, especially children, with every twist and turn. Spread across 3 acres, the Maze Garden is the largest of its kind in India, featuring over 2,100 meters of pathways. More than just a walk, it's an immersive experience where nature, fun and adventure come together. The Maze Garden is designed in the shape of a Shri Yantra, a geometric symbol believed to bring positive energy. Tall, lush hedges create playful challenges for curious explorers. For children, pure excitement. For young minds, adventure and exploration. For parents, moments of joy and togetherness. To enhance its beauty and biodiversity, around 1.8 lakh plants and shrubs have been planted throughout the garden, transforming what was once barren land into a vibrant green oasis. With the Statue of Unity as its backdrop, the Maze Garden reflects the spirit of unity. Many paths, one destination. As visitors navigate the labyrinth, they challenge their minds, test their senses, and awaken their spirit of adventure. When you visit the Statue of Unity, don't just witness history. Experience joy, adventure, and togetherness at the Maze Garden. Because sometimes getting a little lost leads to the most unforgettable moments.